my Google Business profile is verified, right? But my phone number does not show up. In some instances, what happens is during the process of when you are in setting up your Google Business profile, and then you may not have entered the phone number, or maybe you have entered it, but for some reason, a lot of times you'll be surprised. On my Google Business profile for my real estate business, I had my website up, and then all of a sudden it just poof disappears. I have no clue why. So it is recommended every once in a while to go in and make sure things are okay. But for some reason, the Google Business profile number has not been set up, and so it's just a matter of going into your setting. So if you were to go in, you go to edit profile, and then what you will do is you will go down here and edit the phone number. I think I remember in one of the accounts we had a difficulty entering the phone number, and that had to do with a setting in here. So I think it had to do with the setting, right? So when you're going in here, um, there was a setting that prevented us here, right here. So this way, I think it put in here the phone number saying don't show, right? So if you have this on, of course, your Google Business profile, then the phone number is not going to show, right? So even if you had a phone number, it's not going to show. I don't know why. I guess there are instances where businesses don't want their Google Business profile phone number to be shown, not to be shown, but I don't know why, because that's business, potential business, but for whatever reason, right? Now, this is advanced setting off of the Google Business profile on the desktop. Now, on the phone, if I zoom in here, you see this three dots on this corner right here, right there, those three dots. Click on the three dots, right? And then this pulls up, right? And you see the Google Business Profile settings, right? So I'm going to click on that. And then here where it says advanced settings right there, right? Advanced settings right there. And then if you scroll up, um, right there, it says phone numbers don't show. I have it set up. This is where it's now, it's very interesting where I do this daily and work with clients, and it says don't show right here on my Google Maps, and then when on my Google Business Profile on my desktop, it has it turned off. So this is where at the end of the day, am I Google? I don't know why that's at. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go incognito, and then I'm gonna just go to Google Maps. Then I'm gonna type in K Madison, and then see if my phone number shows up here. So it is showing up. So I'm gonna do that on my Google Maps and see if my phone number shows up on my Google Maps. So I'm gonna just type in. I'm in Google Maps now. I'm gonna type in K Madison. I am here. Well, I'm not on incognito here. There's no incognito mode. I don't believe in Google Maps. So I'm just gonna scroll down and see if this is very interesting, and this is something that this is for the first time that I'm realizing, and this is something I have to tell my staff. The setting on your desktop and the setting on your phone are two separate. So which is news to me, which I did not know. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn that setting. I'm gonna go back to I'm gonna click on the three bars on. I'm gonna try to do this here. Click on this, and then click on business profile settings. And then I'm going to click on advanced settings. And then I'm going to go and turn this off. So I turned it off, right? Now the phone number is visible. So let's go take a look and just go refresh. Maybe I'm going to refresh this. So my phone number is still not showing up. So what I'm going to do is hopefully it might take, I don't know, sometimes there's a little bit of lag. Oh, here, there is a call button right here. So which I don't know if you can see here. So I'm gonna have to go look at the video before and see if I had that setting or not. But anyway, I don't want to dwell on that. So if you don't have a phone number not visible on your phone, on your Google Maps, on your mobile, I guess mobile settings and then desktop settings are two different ones. So make sure that they are both visible if you want to have your phone number showing up. To look at both settings on the desktop and on the phone, on the mobile app settings, and making sure that those are the same for both. So, which is very interesting. All right.